GM and welcome to a new video. This is week 17 of the Abstract Mainnet already. We got a couple of news regarding Abstract that I wanted to go through in this week's Abstract update. And the first thing that we know now is that the TGE will not happen before Q4 this year. So there's still plenty of time. There will be plenty of episodes on this channel left. So if you haven't followed my channel yet, make sure to subscribe and leave a like so you don't miss any of the upcoming Abstract updates. I also got a lot of other videos on my channel. Lately I posted about Boost and also about the Mainnet testnet to qualify for their airdrop, so make sure to subscribe. And that all being said, what you can see here is a shipment from OpenSea. And you can, as I told you in last week's update, now use Abstract on OpenSea because Abstract is now EVM compatible. You will get a shipment with experience points, so you're farming OpenSea and you're also farming Abstract. So make sure to connect to OpenSea and use it on Abstract as well, so you can get this next shipment. This was the first 2 points. We got the TGE in Q4 and also the shipment coming up on OpenSea, so make sure to use this. Then of course, as always, there's no new flash badge. It's still the office worker. As I said in the last video, there's a timer, but most of the times they stay longer than originally planned. If you haven't gotten the office worker flash badge, I explain it in this video here, so make sure to check that one out. But as you can see, if you were part of the Abstract games, and I explained this in one of the last videos as well, how to join, and I made daily updates on the games so you knew how to actually play them. If you took part of them, then you can click this. I didn't do this to show it in a video myself. If you click on claim, then you should see the Abstract Games Survivor. This badge is awarded to those who participated in the Abstract games. So this is a retroactive badge. And I got the feeling that we will see this more and more, that they will reward people for doing something after you could actually get them. This way they can make sure, okay, those are real people just generally using the chain. I mean, I think it was pretty clear to everyone that there will probably be a badge for the Abstract games, but yeah, now it's here and make sure to claim it. It gives 150 experience points and also you got another badge. And I'm pretty sure that the more badges you get, the higher the airdrop allocation will be. And since it's so long until the TGE, there's plenty of time to rise in the different ranks. One other thing I wanted to go through is this post of Cigar, who went into the Abstract Global Wallet, and this is pretty well written in my opinion, so I wanted to go through it with you because there's a lot of misconceptions about the Abstract Global Wallet, and I feel like this one explained it very well. Abstract Global Wallet is not the only wallet that works on Abstract. You can use any other EVM browser wallet, such as MetaMask, Rebby, etc. I showed you this in the other videos. And now they also added a Add Network button to the landing page. I think we can skip this one. As always, I will put all the link down in the description so you can check this out for yourself in detail. But I think the only important part is AGWs are smart contract wallets, so they are not the same as your wallets here, such as Rebby or MetaMask. But this one here is super interesting. AGWs are not cross-chain compatible. AGWs do not currently work cross-chain because address derivation on Abstract and other ZK stack chains differs from standard EVMs. And here's the important part. This means that if your AGW has address 0x12345 on Abstract, the same deployment on Ethereum mainnet would not be 0x12345. So this is the huge difference because normally with your wallet, you have the same wallet address. So basically this one here would be the same on Abstract as it is on Polygon, on Base, on ETH mainnet, and so on. But with this kind of wallets, such as the AGW, it is not. It is different. So this makes it impossible to recover funds sent to your AGW address on other chains. We, along with our close partners, have added guardrails to prevent this, but we don't have control over every swap bridge app. This is what will show up in your upcoming bridge. Bridging to an Abstract Global Wallet address on another chain will result in lost funds. Please enter a valid external wallet address. Be aware of that. I told you that in some of the other videos that you need to be really careful about this because you might lose funds. We've seen this a lot on X, where people lost their funds because they bridged to the wrong wallet and couldn't access this at all. One other thing is that everyone was wondering, is Abstract XP only given to AGW users? And the simple answer is yes. A question we get a lot is, why not give XP to EOA users as well? EOA are the wallets that you have here, such as MetaMask and Rabby. The primary reason for keeping XP exclusive to AGW is that we are trying to increase adoption for smart contract wallets. Most wallet experts in this industry believe that these wallets will be the dominant type of wallet in the future. We believe so too. They're more secure, depending on the setup, and more feature-rich when compared to traditional EOAs. We want to accelerate the adoption of SC wallet, smart contract wallets, so we're using incentives to do so. Many of our core ecosystem apps also depend on session keys to create Web 2-like experiences for users. By keeping experience points exclusive to AGWs, we can reduce the fragmentation that apps need to worry about. They can create the best possible experience for users and not worry about the gradation with other wallets. As more teams start to integrate session keys into their apps, I expect the case for AGW-only integrations to grow stronger. So I think this was some pretty important news, and I know that the Abstract Global Wallet, especially to us crypto natives, feels kind of clumsy so far, and I feel like it still is, even if you're coming from Web 2 and don't know nothing about wallets. But since this is all new, I'm all about onboarding people, making it super easy for everyone, user experience and interface wise. So if this helps, then I'm fine with it. I hope that this works. Still, that there's no way to recover funds if they're sent to the wrong chain really bugs me out. And I think there needs to be a solution for this. I don't know how, but there needs to be a solution for this, because you can't explain people that they're losing funds because they send it on the wrong chain. This is the opposite of onboarding people. But apart from that, yeah, I think this gave a lot of good insights here on the AGWs and also why they are only giving the experience points to the Abstract Global wallets. Maybe one last thing before we wrap this up. There's the Boost allocation now from AlphaBot, and if you did not make the cut as I did, then you can mint an NFT, and you can only mint this with your Abstract Global wallet. So make sure to check out my videos on AlphaBot and make sure to claim this here, because as always, this might give you experience points, and you never know if a badge or something comes out of this down the line if you participated in this campaign here. And yeah, let's wrap this one up. Thank you so much for watching. We're gonna see each other in the next week for another Abstract update. In case there's a new Flash badge before that, I'll probably record another video. And apart from that, make sure to check out my other videos, and then see you in the next video.